सार्क सम्मेलन से पहले इस वक्त नेपाल काठमांडू में चल रहा है इंडिया टुडे ग्लोबल राउंड टेबल। आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं।
Not up to the mark. The army is providing a very stabilizing. It's a stabilizing factor. Some external factors like U.S. leaving Afghanistan at the peak created a vacuum, and look what happened to Iraq when the army was destroyed. Look what happened to Syria and Libya. So in case if you think that the army is a problem, I think it has come a long way. It is supporting the government.
No longer supporting terror, no longer supporting terror groups?
It is, in fact, it is reversed. It has gone into de-radicalization, it has gone into re-employment, it has gone into containment of these terror groups. And therefore you see these terrorist groups attacking Pakistan.
That's a big headline point you're making.
I think one thing which was missing, I personally feel that there was a lot which we achieved under composite dialogue. One component which did not work, which did not fail to deliver, was a joint anti-terrorism mechanism which was formed under composite dialogue. That's unfortunate, and I personally feel that there was no political will or resolve to push it forward. Now is the time, I think this we can move forward like way we are doing with Afghanistan. Unless we do it and review it as a regional problem, I think this problem will expand itself.
Okay, let me get Meenakshi Lekhi to respond to that. Those are heartening words, if true, General, that the Pakistan Army appears to be mending its ways and no longer, sponsoring terror. Meenakshi Lekhi, is that encouraging?
No, absolutely not. In fact, the figures show a different story, and I'm going to read out a certain figures. The figure is that 5,379 terrorist-related fatalities have happened in 2013. 1,000 less than previous year, and in this year, if you check the numbers, 2,472 terrorists killed and 1,702 killed in 2013. So numbers have reduced because less terrorists have been killed. And further, the state forces personnel getting killed in ambush are also reduced, and what has increased is the civilian mortality. So what is happening is, on the ground, that state-funded terrorism is prospering. State forces have taken their hands off in ambushing the terrorists, and because of which civilian forces are dying. And it is in this, civilians are dying. So I think that is what needs to be corrected so far as Pakistan is concerned. Because what Pakistan is trying to do is speak something and they never walk the talk. They say something else and act completely differently. I would want a person like General Atar Abbas to walk the talk, to counter terrorists in his own country, because they have created a Frankenstein and they are going to suffer.
Okay. General, since there's that question's been raised to you, you must respond to it before I go to Manishankar Ayyar. The perception in India is that while Pakistan is battling terrorists in Waziristan, it's not doing that in Punjab.
Look, we have gone into Waziristan also. There were problems with the Americans, with the Afghans about the balance between the long-term interest and short-term interest. We never wanted to take an action which by effect would have gone or created an effect where the tribals would have gone against Pakistan, and that would have been very damaging for Pakistan. It has done, it has cleared. The figures speak for itself. Over 5,000 officers and soldiers have been killed in this war. It's about, the figure is about 50,000 civilians killed. The ratio of officer and Jawan is 1 per 12 Jawan, 1 officer per 12. It's a huge loss that the army has suffered in that. And because of dismantling and de-radicalizing the jihadi groups, they have attacked the army. They have attacked the chief, they have attacked virtually every VVIP. So it is incorrect, it is not a correct perception that when you blame that the army is doing the opposite. I think army is now in the line of fire and it is dealing with that. It needs assistance, it needs understanding, it needs facilitation. So that's what my answer to that is.